In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Cloud Platform account for free. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore the many services Google Cloud offers without making an initial financial commitment. Now, let's dive right into the process and get your account up and running. First, open your browser and go to cloud.google.com. This is Google's official site for cloud services, offering everything from hosting and machine learning to data storage and analytics. Once you're on the home page, look for the Get Started for Free button. Go ahead and click on it. This will guide you to the introductory page where you'll begin your journey into Google Cloud Platform services. Next, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll have to create one. Once you've logged in, you'll be prompted to select your country from a drop-down list and accept Google's terms and conditions. Make sure you read through them, and once you agree, check off the acceptance box and proceed. Here's an important part. You'll be asked to enter your credit or debit card information for verification purposes. Don't worry, this step is purely for verification, and you won't be charged unless you manually upgrade your account in the future. It serves as a precautionary measure to prevent fraudulent activities and ensures that all users have a verified account. Now, it's time to click on Start My Free Trial. Once you click this option, Google Cloud will activate your trial account. As a new subscriber, you will enjoy $300 worth of free credits that can be used over a span of 90 days. These credits provide you the flexibility to explore and test the platform's offerings extensively without stressing over expenses. After your trial has begun, navigate over to the Google Cloud Console via console.cloud.google.com. This console is your gateway to the world of cloud computing. Everything you'll need to deploy or manage applications, websites, or virtual servers is available here at your fingertips. And just like that, you now have a free Google Cloud Platform account. With this account, you are ready to deploy websites, apps, or servers and explore Google's intuitive and expansive cloud services. Feel free to experiment and learn all the different functionalities Google Cloud provides, continuing to build upon your knowledge and understanding of cloud-based technologies. You have taken the first step into cloud computing on one of the world's leading platforms. Keep exploring, and soon this vast digital landscape will open up a multitude of possibilities for your projects. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we'll dive deeper into how to make the most out of your Google Cloud Platform experience.